Hey guys, let's try to with this video. And it's raining out. And thundering. And it's driving me insane. Oh, sorry, my finger got in the way there. Gosh dang it. I need to learn how to edit this. It looks like Lake Michigan out there. You can see it's a screen. So, it looks like Lake Michigan out there. And this morning when I went to go to school, it looked like Lake Michigan on my sidewalk. I don't think that's a good thing. And the playground at recess was so bad. Yeah, it was just so bad. So anyway, I'm wearing a Clone Trooper sweater. It's a boy sweater. I really need to get me one of these. And then have Sergey's dad wash it first. I'm sniffing it. I'm not weird at all. No. Yeah, okay, I'm weird. So, I have eaten the head off this Easter bunny. Fudge stickles. I can't break it. Oh, this is hard as a rock. Sorry, guys. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm probably not going to finish that bunny. I ate the head off it. I'm satisfied. These are chips. Surprisingly, I did not finish it. Oh. They're delicious.
Whoa.
Just lightning. Next comes the thunder.
Wait, look at that. Do you see that cloud? Looks like Minecraft or something like that. Looks like a box with eyes.
A box with eyes. Okay, basically that's a Minecraft character. So, I got lip gloss that I just found on the floor in my room.
Oh, I have to tell you also.
What?
That you should do later on.
Oh. Oh, we sung the Thunder Buddy song. That helped none. But at least I'm a little less scared of it. There's like a puddle out there. It's like Lake Michigan. It's a little puppy dog. Hi. I'm dead. Guys, sorry I haven't put up a pony video lately. It's just because I don't feel like it. I have one subscriber. It's just my sister.
Amy.
Wait, you subscribed? Oh, cool. Look into my eyes. You subscribed to my other channel. You need to subscribe to this one.
I did.
Oh, you did? Look into my eye. If you guys listen hard enough, you can, oh, God. Oh, Lord.
Let them hear it. Let them hear it for a little minute.
Could you guys hear it? For a brief, yeah, whatever. Okay, so these are the books that I'm going to read over break. At least I'm going to try. I am most likely going to finish this one if I read long enough. I'll probably read 2 hours a day just so I can finish this. This is Dolphin Tale 2, the junior novel based on the hit movie, inspired by a true story of hope. Actually, we just had an assembly yesterday about hope. And there are dolphins on it. This was, I don't remember what we paid for it, but it was cheap. It was good. We also bought this, Ever After High, A Wonderful World, by Shannon Hale. I have the first book. Let me go grab it. And my big sister spending the night. She does not live with me. Okay, let's look through these drawers. Drawers of magicness or just random garbage. So I have a Ever After High yearbook thingamabobber. It's dark in here, but I like it. Okay, come here. Okay, let's find it. Never mind, let's not find it. Say we did. So I can't find it, but I did find this. I'll have to do a review on it. There's like a glare on it. This got Ashlanella, Applewhite, Raven Queen, and the Mad Hatter. The Mad Hatter's my favorite. Madeline Hatter. Sorry. Said it wrong. Sorry. Ever After is so Once Upon a Time. And it's purple. And it's good.
No.
Where'd my glasses go?
I don't know.
I don't know either. So, wait, when was the band concert? I don't know. We had a band concert at my school. Well, at the high school, but these are the kids in band. So this is the sweater I'm wearing. It's Sergey's. Oh, jeez. All I got out of that was snot. Oh my gosh, it looks like a puddle outside. Let it take a sec. Never mind. So this is where I do my videos on Movie Star. It's on my computer. I do have the tablet version, actually. And I got this fan. Sorry, that was weird. So I also have a list of hackers. If you just search Bedbugs Bite, you will also find Anonymous. Those are from Movie Star. And this, oh jeez. Okay, this is How Well Do You Know Me? I got this off Facebook. Also got a cute baby picture of my boyfriend off Facebook too. It's so cute. I got this roll-on lipstick that I always keep like this so that I can actually roll the lip gloss on. Whatever. And I have this. Well, why am I just telling you what I have? Because I'm bored, that's what. Okay, so there's 1,000 stickers in here. There's Rebel. I'm sorry, I watch Paw Patrol. Stickers! We can play with stickers. Stickers! Sorry. Stickers. We also have shop kill baskets. So we have my shop kills. Got a barrette. I might do a shop kills roleplay video because I have a lot of shop kills. I also have a hair barrette for a Barbie. Some shop kill baskets. And if you crawl under the table here, we got some more shop kills. We also have a naked baby. She's cute. We have a cell phone. It's actually pretty big. We have a little drawer holder thingamaburger. Oh, so I'm going to be using some of these items for my pony roleplay videos. That was so weird. Okay, so I'm just going to bring these over to the ponies. I am a pony fan, clearly. Hello, Haley. Hello. Okay, so here's this. At least. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's about time for me to get going. So please like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this vid. Bye.